Hi Scorpio, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 17th of October. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly jump in and see what this particular week has in store for you. The first card that I see for you is the High Priestess, the Queen of Cups, and the Four of Swords. Person B here has the Queen of Wands, the Devil card, and the Chariot card. At bottom of the deck, I have Five of Cups, which means that you or your person is feeling a little hurt, a little bit of sorrow because you feel that this relationship can't be revived, it can't be corrected, and you feel that everything is lost in this situation right now. Now, from the first set of cards, I see you have the High Priestess, which means she is the keeper of the secrets. So, there could be something that you are hiding. The second card that I see for you is the Queen of Cups, which means that you have a lot of emotions and you also want to receive love and affection from this person, okay? Because it is the Queen of Cups, it's the receiving energy, the feminine energy, okay? And again, it is irrespective of the gender that you are in. You want to right now feel the love and affection from the other person. Now, the third card for you is Four of Swords. It means that you would take a small break, you would want to take a small break, rest, think about what is happening in this relationship, how things are moving, and if there is something that you feel is not correct, it's not going as per what you wanted, you would want to go ahead and see if this can be amended. Now, for person B, the first card is Queen of Wands. Queen of Wands is a very strong energy, and at times it is also referred as the third woman or the third person in this relationship. The second card for this person is the Devil card, which is negative energy. This could be again a third person, it could be a feeling or a habit or anything negative, okay? It could be anything like sex, drugs, alcohol, anything which is negative around this person B. And the third card for them is Chariot card, which is Cancer energy. So what I see is that this person wants to move forward, they want to move away from this negative energy eventually when they realize that what kind of problems they are facing because they are surrounded by this negativity. Now let's go ahead and see what is the intention of this person. So the first card is Eight of Cups, Six of Pentacles, and Five of Swords. Now with Eight of Cups, somebody will walk away in this situation. It could either be you or your person, but somebody will walk away from this situation. The second card is Six of Pentacles, which shows sharing. It could be you or your person who is sharing with somebody else. And the third card here being the Five of Swords, it means that there could be some kind of competition, okay? And this person is willing to fight, okay, with somebody else for this relationship or for something that really means a lot to them. Now let's go ahead and also see what is the message that we have from the Moonology Oracle deck. So the message that I see here is luck is on your side. Now that's a very positive sign. It means that luck is on your side. Whatever you go ahead and do in the future, you will definitely get positive results because luck is currently on your side. Now with this, we'll also quickly go ahead and see what is the message from archangels and a crystal that can help you out in this situation. So the crystal that I see for you is Sunstone. The crystal message is, have you been feeling down in the dumps? Do you need some enthusiasm? It is time for prosperity and purpose. Step into your power and be all that you are meant to be. You are aligned with the magnificence and the courage to show your splendor. Now with this, there is also a message here from Archangel Ariel, which I'll go ahead and put in the description box for you. You may read it out from there. That's all that I have for you for this particular video. If you like the content of these videos, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and till the next video, please stay safe, love yourself first.